What you doing over there, Mark?
Fishing.
For what?
An airplane. I think I got one nibbling right now. I'm getting ready to set the hook on that damn thing, and I'm gonna have me an extra.
It's high. It's awful high up.
How high would you say it was?
50 feet.
I bet you can't fly it at the ground now, battery's dead.
50 feet.
Fishing rod. All right, so we can reel him in.
And we all really pull it, you might not have walked over that way, keep from pulling. If it pulled down and get the lead pulled, it'd slip off. You know?
We're getting ready to go over it. We went over it.
It went over the limb, not the plane.
It's over the plane. It's over the tail.
Tip of the tail. You still feeding?
Yeah.
Okay. Couldn't tell I was hitting drag here.
It's a big fish.
Oh, that's very small out.
Sawing the tail off of it.
Whether you want it or not.
What a critic. You say you wanted one piece.
Yeah, I did.
Did you bring the radio so I could fly?
No.
There's the other end of the string. Hang on.
That's about cool.
I'd start keeping fishing rod in the damn airplane.
Let it have some more. Just some more.
What'd you do to that lead?
I got it in my pocket.
Hold it tight, huh?
Tight back on
Hold
here.
it tight. I'm gonna go over here so it don't pull off the end.
It went to tail.
We get out from
It is
under it.
too.
He blew back. Let me see all the pieces.
Right wing's tangled.
Hang on.
Oh, you're off the plane now, so you can just pull that branch down. Pull the branch down if you can.
Man, I got foam in my eyes. Come on now.
Oh, you're gonna lose the limb. We'll lose the limb. Well, keep on. I mean, what else you gonna do? We'll do it again. Hang on to it. I still got the rod and the lead.
Okay.
There it
Ah,
comes!
damn.
Catch it!
Hey.
Yellow!
Woo-hoo!
Yeah, it just hit the ground.
Now, Mary, after all these weeks, how do you feel about having your airplane back?
All right, go over a while. Melt it back together. Broke the tail. The other than that, it's down.
Yeah, it's fixed.
All right, bye.
What you need to do is you're going to use those arrows and stuff. You need to get that the tracer spool and put
It
on
ain't
the end
that
of the
bad.
bow and stuff.
It ain't that bad.
Tie it to it.
You can glue that.
It's got like a fishing line on it.
Yeah.
I'd probably be a lot more precision with this than I can that damn little
You
space
can.
line. You can blow that back together and you're back to business.
Oh.
On your battery out. Let's see if we can give it a quick save.
I ain't played with it.
Give us a woohoo, Mary.
I've already.
Woohoo!
What you doing back here, Mary?
Gluing parts.
Uh-oh, don't you knock Mary's drink over.
Looks like an ARF.
See, it was worth it, wasn't it?
Head down.
Up, down, right, left.
That's the same battery.
Woohoo!
Need a little trim in there.
Well, we need trimming. Slow.
Need somebody to help you there? Too many.
I'm just going to flatten. You ready?
Yes.
One round.
Somewhere. Got the power out.
I'm going to land again.
woo, woo.